Hello guys, welcome to our channel Namma 2k20 Kitchen. In this video, we are going to prepare mushroom masala, which is a delicious Indian curry made with mushrooms, onions, tomatoes and spices. It goes so well as a side with plain basmati rice, jeera rice, ghee rice, roti or even paratha. Now let's begin. Let's heat tawa on low to medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then saute 1 inch of cinnamon and 3 cloves and 1 tablespoon of dhania and 1 tablespoon of jeera and add 3 red chilli, 2 bay leaves and stir them once. Now add 1 cup of chopped coconut and fry them well for 3 minutes until these ingredients turn to light golden. Now add 4 green cardamom before we turn off the stove and stir once. Now I am going to take them into a separate plate and allow these ingredients to cool for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now. So we'll blend all these ingredients to a fine paste and set them aside. Now let's heat 2 tablespoons of oil in tawa, fry chopped onions and stir them until it turns golden. We'll add nutmeg and black cardamom powder along with cinnamon and 1 bay leaf and 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste and saute them well. We now add finely chopped tomatoes and stir them until it's deep fried. Now it's time to add 2 tablespoons of homemade masala that we have kept aside, which makes this curry authentic. Along with this, we'll also add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of red chilli powder, salt as per the taste, and we also add half tablespoon jeera powder and saute them all the ingredients well. We saute it until onion tomato masala leaves the sides of the pan, and once it leaves the sides of the pan, then we'll add sliced mushrooms and mix all together once after we add the mushrooms. Now stir for 2 to 3 minutes until the flavor of mushrooms come out. Let's add half a slice of lemon now. Once after we add the lemon, we pour water as needed to make thick gravy. We have to cook until the mushrooms turn tender to suit your liking. Bring the mushrooms to your desired consistency by adding more water if needed, or you can add even less water as per your consistency requirement. Now let's sprinkle some mint leaves and we shall wait for 30 seconds before we turn off the stove, such that the mint leaves would give mint flavor to our mushroom curry. Here we go. Our mushroom masala is ready in an authentic style. Mix and serve mushroom masala hot with basmati rice or roti. Hope you enjoyed cooking with us, guys. Do let us know your comments if you liked this recipe. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Let's meet in the next video. Bye for now.